Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to stand before you today to present my arguments in support of the motion. This House, as a parent from a middle-income family, would adopt free-range parenting as opposed to helicopter parenting. According to me, free-range parenting is caring for all children without excessive supervision, but prioritizing independence to develop themselves. And the helicopter parenting is caring for all children with excessive supervision, and parents are very involved in their children's lives. I think free-range parenting is better than helicopter parenting because the child doesn't feel stress or pressure. Children will become more independent and less dependent on people. Free-range parenting will grow children who are strong and willing to take risks. As a child, I strongly agree with the motion this House, as a parent from a middle-income family, will adopt free-range parenting as opposed to helicopter parenting. Free-range parenting provides many benefits for a middle-income family. By focusing on independence, creativity, and responsibility, children can grow into individuals who are tough, confident, and ready to face life challenges. Regardless of the economic limitation above, helicopter parenting has many negative impacts on our lives. It will have many negative impacts. It will be difficult to address problems and make difficult. Because in helicopter parenting, parents will always interfere in the child's affair. When the child in a problem, the child will always think that there are parents who will always overcome and help him overcome the problem. This will make children unable to have the attitude to solve their own problems and make decisions for themselves. This will also have a negative impact on children's daily lives. Children will tend to behave like the world is centered on them and cannot live their own lives without their help and care of others. So here are some of the reasons why I totally agree with this motion. First, make children more independent and brave enough to take risks. With free-range parenting, children will become more independent even they are the young age. They will become people who are confident, independent, and brave to take risks whatever happens. Free-range parenting is looking after children by giving children freedom and responsibility, which will make children grow into independent and confident individuals. By giving children space to explore their environment and take risks, this environment will shape their independence. Different from helicopter parenting style, helicopter parenting will push down the child's independence. Children who are grown with helicopter parenting usually not given the opportunity to develop independence. They will always depend decision to solve problems on their parents. Today, I feel they will not be ready to face challenges when they grow up. Currently, we know there is a strawberry generation. The strawberry generation is a young generation that is considered weak and gives up easily than previous generations. This term decisions, young people growing up in the comfort and convenience of modern life. In this generation, children will easily feel stress, especially if you add helicopter parenting. Children will become even more stressed. Children, their mental health worse. In helicopter parenting case, while parents are usually there to protect and support their children, this approach can have a negative impact on children's mental health. In a middle-income family case, free-range parenting will be more effective because reducing the need for expensive childcare service such as private tutoring. Children who are independent and able to care for themselves can reduce dependence on such services, helping families save money. Moreover, children who play outside and do regular physical activity to have better physical health. Physical activity also helps mental well-being, which is especially important for children who may face additional stress due to middle-income family. When the child is mentally and physically healthy, this will prevent parents from spending money on their health. This is a good thing for middle-income family. Free-range parenting provides many benefits for low-income families. By focusing on independence, creativity, and responsibility, children can grow into individuals who are taught, confident, and ready to face life challenges, regardless of the economic limitation they face. Rather than helicopter parenting, children will have mental health problems such as depression or anxiety. Constant and pressure can have a negative impact on their emotional well-being, which can continue into adulthood. This will further harm low-income parents. Second, weak social skills. Children who are overprotected may not have the opportunity to develop important social skills. They may have difficulty interaction with peers, resolving conflicts, or working together in groups. This lack of social skills can lead to social isolation and difficulty in building healthy relationships. Parenting that is too controlling or helicopter parenting can have a negative impact on children's social skills. Parents who have adopted this parenting style tend to be overly involved in their children's life, controlling every aspect from daily activities to social interactions. Although their interaction may be good, this approach can cause various problems in children's social development. Overly controlling parenting often limits children's opportunities to interact with peers naturally. Overprotective parents may not let their children play freely outside or attend social events without close supervision. As a result, children miss out on opportunities to learn social empathy and important communication skills through direct experience with peers. Even though low-income families really need other people, if their social skills are poor, then they will have difficulty seeking help. In conclusion, I strongly believe that I support of the motion based on my arguments that free-range parenting is better than helicopter parenting. Free-range parenting that have many benefits such as building independence, development,